So
right.
what the Chandragupta has to do, चंद्रगुप्त हैज टू जो है ना कंडक्ट टू जो है ना मीटिंग, जिसको हम हिंदी में संगोष्ठी कहते हैं, राइट?
हाँ, संगोष्ठी, हाँ 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 सर,
इट इज ए स्मॉल मीटिंग ऑफ द 4 people, 10 people, but not more than 20 people, because it has to be a one-to-one meeting, right? So who all to be added? Number one, he himself, then his family members, then his relative, then his friends, then his neighbor, then young friends, youth, and senior citizen known to him, or the people those who are connected and working together in any organization, whether it's societal, NGO, or whatever it is, right?
right.
All put together, they are expected to add only 10 people each day for 9 days. 90 days is the commitment.
हाँ.
Right? And the Chandragupta will be
हाँ.
Chandragupta will be जो है ना doing संगोष्ठी or meeting in which जो है ना he is having the unlimited people to add, right?
Yes.
And for adding one member he will get 100 marks, and for adding जो है ना Chandragupta he will get 200 marks, right? And for conducting meeting he will be getting 50 marks.
Yes sir. Yes, sir.
Now there is a model. The people those who are not having the smartphone, they can also be added. For them we created a system of nodal Vyakti, nodal person. So if the people are not having mobile phones, or they are having the button phone, or the switch, that button wala old phone, or they are not having they are not having the phone at all. For them a intermediary has been created. We have given the name nodal person. This nodal person will take the guarantee that it is his duty that whatever is flowing to his mobile from Maithili Saran Gupta, he will conduct the meeting of whosoever is the nodal officer is, and brief him my instruction to them. So it means you have now included everybody, even the person not having the mobile phone also, right? Whether this point is clear to you?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Now I will explain the Chandragupta who will be getting highest marks by adding these people. He will be declared. Everybody is in journey of the Chandragupta. He has taken the pledge of the Chandragupta, but he will only be called Chandragupta when he come in the merit list, right? So if it is we are talking of the Lok Sabha at India level, so merit list of the 543 people will be created.
Yes.
They will get
जो UPS exams है, it is same concept your
so just a minute, we will be declaring them Chandragupta, and if Manini Narendra Modi is not really listening to us, then we will give them the ticket also, and we will be by then more than 100 crore, so all of our Chandragupta will be winning. If Mr. Modi, he supports us and he creates the ecosystem, then Maithili Saran Gupta will ask everybody, including the Chandragupta. We might propose to Narendra Modi ke saath, these are our Chandragupta. If you give them the ticket, then it will be very good. So BJP may give the ticket to the because you are already creating the ecosystem as per our request. Hence we forego our right to really take the power. We don't. If you are making a shaking hand with us, then we are for giving our power. We are forfeiting. क्या करना चाहिए? हम अपना जो है ना त्याग कर देंगे, right? Otherwise, Chandragupta are there. We are having 100 crore people. We can take away the power also, right? But what we are saying is, since you have already done that, we might request you, okay, please give the ticket from BJP to my Chandraguptas, and you will get all 543 seats. Right?
Right, sir.
Now, how we will be 100, I will take a minute to explain to you. Right? Number one, in the whole process, first of all, I would like to inquire from you whether I have asked you to any money. Whether I have asked any money from you?
No.
No. Right. Whether I have asked you to take out any procession in my support?
No.
Whether I have asked you to burn any effigy to humiliate others?
No way.
No. Whether I have asked you to do the road block or rail blocks?
No.
No. Whether I have asked you to kindly make out a petition or accompany me with a petition, we will be giving it to the SP collector or chief minister or prime minister
No,
or
no, 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 no.
no.
No,
Whether I,
absolutely no. Absolutely no.
whether I have asked you to come to the Jantar Mantar or Ramlila Maidan?
No.
No. It means I have not taken money. You are not put to any harm, and now I will tell how we will become 100. So basically, when one dimension I must stress before we are going on the counting,
Mm-hmm.
if we could not reverse the present day situation, there are five very important regions which will जो है ना by 2029.
Uh-huh.
My prediction is this, that 66% population of the country will be suffering either from the cancer or from autonomous autoimmune diseases. This is my prediction, or you can say Bhavishwani also.
Yeah. Maybe because of the poor production of the.
I will give the reasons also. Number one,
Yes,
first
yes,
reason is this: your food chain has become the poisonous on account
yes.
of the chemical fertilizer and pesticide. That's the first reason.
Yes. Because of the. I was understanding your point. I am feeling the same in ongoing days. The poor production of the food, okay, especially they'll be using lot of inorganic this thing, and especially
I mean,
nowadays.
let's not say organic or inorganic. Let's say directly chemical, rasayanik bis you are using. You are using the chemical fertilizer and chemical जो है ना pesticide, which
ये
is
केमिकल से ज्यादा सर जी, और एक आपको एक सूचना देना चाह रहा हूँ.
जी
केमिकल से ज्यादा अभी जो चाइना ने जो डेवलप किया है, म्यूटेशन ऑफ द प्लांट ओनली. ओके, mutation is very dangerous.
Just a minute. Let me elaborate on mutation for a while. Basically, mutation is a natural process also. Your gene confront, and that's how there's a evolution of the different varieties. They automatically get evolved through that mutation. Now we are doing a nesty mutation. Nesty mutation क्या होता है? Say, seed is having the basic and innate quality to reproduce. When you genetically modified and you make a genetically terminated seed, then you are Rakshas. So we are, in the name of the scientist, we are bloody Rakshas. And we are, these kind of the muted, now this is the really a unnatural mutation where you are cutting the DNA which is responsible for the reproduction.
Yes.
So is it a scientific revolution whether the person should get the patent or he should be sent to jail? Answer my question. I am saying such person, should he get the Nobel Prize for his nasty work or he should be put behind the bar?
He has to be put behind bar, Sirji.
Very you said okay. Quickly, let me go to that prove my point. Basically, second point is hormonal injection which we are putting indiscriminately to the cows, to the buffaloes, to the goat, to hens, and to the fruits and vegetable. It is carcinogenic in nature. Second reason of the cancer. Now the third reason, Mr. Sridhar, we are producing only 16 crore liter milk. Whereas every day we are consuming 65 crore liter milk. It means 30 crore liter milk every day. Every day in tankers being produced through the chemicals of the harmful origin like urea. My friend, it is carcinogenic.
नहीं मैंने बहुत सारे केसेस देखे यूपी बिहार उस तरफ. Actually, as you said,
give me 1 minute more, then I will ask more crude question from you, and probably that will be helping me to awaken you. Though you are already awakened soul, so I need not really awake you. But still, I will not miss that last attempt on you, right? So now the fifth reason is the medicine you are consuming. They are the chemical molecules of harmful, and many of them they are carcinogenic.
Yes.
So they are harming you in many ways. They are basically incapacitating your body response, your own immune system.
Yes. रेजिस्टेंसी पावर वो कम कर रहा है ना सर जी. Whatever the immune system what we have developed, that is only.
So it will be sometime it may go to the extent of developing autoimmune diseases.
Absolutely right.
So now, looking at these 5 reasons, and let me tell you, since milk alone, I have gone through one research work which says if this milk or milk product of the doubtful origin, if it is consumed for the 4 year continuously, 87% consumer they will suffer from the cancer. This is a finding of a research work. Now putting the dot together, are you ready to believe that 66% population of the India